Before you throw away your morning coffee grounds today, stop right now. Grandma's generation never wasted a single drop. And these 7 simple secrets will save you money and keep your home fresh. We all love that first warm cup in the morning. It wakes us up, it smells wonderful, and it gets the day started just right. But once the coffee is brewed, most people toss the wet grounds straight into the trash. That is money walking right out your door. Those leftover grounds are filled with natural nutrients, natural odor absorbers, and gentle cleaning power. Our mothers and grandmothers knew how to stretch every penny. They did not buy expensive plastic bottles full of chemicals. They used what they had right in front of them. Today, we are going back to those wise, simple ways. Here are 7 genius ways to reuse your coffee grounds around the house, starting today. Hack 1. The refrigerator odor absorber. Let us start in the kitchen. We have all opened the refrigerator door and caught a faint, unpleasant smell. Maybe it was yesterday's fish, or an onion that sat a little too long. Most people run to the store and buy a box of baking soda, or worse, a plastic air freshener filled with artificial perfume. You do not need to spend that money. Dry coffee grounds are one of nature's best odor absorbers. Coffee contains natural nitrogen. When the grounds dry out, that nitrogen naturally pulls bad smells right out of the air and neutralizes them. Here is all you have to do. Spread your used coffee grounds on a cookie sheet or paper towel. Let them dry completely in the sun or overnight on your counter. This step is very important. If you put them in the fridge while they are still wet, they can grow mold. Once they are completely dry, scoop them into an open glass jar or a small bowl. Place that jar in the back corner of your refrigerator. It works quietly day after day. It swallows up food odors without leaving a heavy perfume scent on your cheese or milk. Replace the grounds once a month. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and it keeps your fridge smelling as clean as a whistle. Hack 2. Scrubbing stubborn pots and pans. Housework should not have to mean sore wrists and tired hands. If you have arthritis or weak fingers, scrubbing baked-on grease is a real chore. Scouring pads can be rough on your hands, and chemical sprays can irritate your lungs. Used coffee grounds are the perfect gentle scrubber. They have a coarse texture, but they are soft enough that they won't scratch your favorite cookware. Imagine you cooked a nice dinner, but the bottom of your pan has burnt on food. Do not soak it in harsh dish soap all night. Instead, sprinkle a spoonful of dry or damp coffee grounds directly onto the dirty pan. Add just a small drop of regular dish soap and a splash of warm water. Take a soft sponge or cloth and gently rub in small circles. The grounds act like tiny scrubbing sponges. They lift away the stuck-on grease without requiring heavy muscle power or hard pressing. Your wrists stay comfortable, your pans come out shiny and clean, and you avoid breathing in harsh chemical fumes over the sink. Just a quick note of caution here. Avoid using them on porous surfaces like unsealed tile or light-colored marble, as coffee can leave a faint stain there. Stick to stainless steel, glass, and cast iron pans, and you'll love the results. Hack 3. Feeding your acid-loving garden plants. If you love tending to potted plants or a small backyard garden, this tip will save you a trip to the garden center. Store-bought plant fertilizers can be surprisingly expensive. They are often full of synthetic salts that can burn plant roots if you use a tiny bit too much. Coffee grounds are packed with natural nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. These are the exact 3 nutrients your plants beg for to grow green and healthy. However, you must use them the right way. Some plants love acid, and some plants do not. Plants like hydrangeas, azaleas, blueberries, roses, and ferns absolutely thrive on coffee grounds. Sprinkle a thin layer of dry coffee grounds around the base of these plants once every few weeks. Gently mix the grounds into the top inch of soil with a small hand trowel or fork. Do not pile them up too thick, or they can form a hard crust that blocks rainwater. As you water your plants, those rich nutrients break down slowly and feed the roots gently. Your hydrangeas will reward you with deeper, brighter blooms. Your rose bushes will grow stronger stems. It is a completely natural plant food that costs $0, and your garden will thank you all season long. Hack 4. Natural pest deterrent for slugs and ants. Nothing is more frustrating than watching pests ruin your porch plants or creep into your home. Slugs eat holes in soft leaves overnight, and tiny ants seem to find their way into the house through the smallest cracks. Most pest sprays from the store contain strong chemicals that are not safe to breathe, especially if you have pets or grandchildren visiting. Coffee grounds offer a safe, chemical-free barrier. Bugs hate coffee grounds for 2 very simple reasons. First, the smell of caffeine is a natural deterrent to insects. Second, the abrasive texture of dried grounds is very uncomfortable for soft-bodied pests like slugs and snails to crawl over. To keep slugs away from your potted patio plants, sprinkle a ring of dry coffee grounds all around the edge of the pot or around the base of the stem. Slugs will hit that dry, scratchy barrier and turn right around. If you notice a line of ants coming near your back door or windowsill, sprinkle a thin line of dry coffee grounds across their path. It disrupts their scent trail and causes them to scatter away naturally. No chemicals, no dangerous sprays, just a clean, safe barrier made from your morning breakfast routine. Hack 5. Erasing stubborn garlic and onion hand odors. Cooking at home is one of life's simple pleasures. Chopping fresh garlic, slicing onions, or handling raw fish makes for a delicious meal. But that smell has a habit of sticking to your fingers for hours. No matter how many times you wash your hands with scented hand soap, that sharp garlic smell seems to be trapped right under your skin and fingernails. Instead of drying out your skin with harsh liquid soaps, keep a small cup of coffee grounds right beside your kitchen sink. After you finish chopping your aromatic vegetables, scoop a teaspoon of damp coffee grounds into your palms. Rub your hands together gently for about 15 seconds. Make sure to work the grounds over your fingers and under your nails. The natural oils in the coffee instantly bond with the sulfur compounds from the garlic and onions. It neutralizes the odor on contact. The coffee grounds also act as a soft, natural exfoliator, leaving your hands feeling soft and clean. Rinse your hands thoroughly with warm water and dry them on a towel. The garlic smell will be completely gone, replaced by a warm, comforting kitchen scent. Hack 6. Safe fireplace and wood stove ash cleanup. For those chilly evenings when you light a fireplace or a wood-burning stove, cleaning up the cold ashes the next morning can be a messy nightmare. As soon as you scoop into the fireplace, a huge cloud of gray dust rises into the air. It settles all over your furniture, carpets, and mantelpiece. Worse yet, breathing in fine wood ash can trigger coughing fits and irritate sensitive lungs. Grandma had a brilliant trick for this exact problem. Before you start scooping out the cold ashes, take a generous handful of damp used coffee grounds, scatter them evenly across the top of the ash bed inside your fireplace. The moisture in the damp grounds instantly weighs down the lightweight ash particles. It coats them gently without making a muddy mess. Now, when you slide your fireplace shovel under the ashes, no dust clouds rise into the air. Everything stays contained and heavy. You can scoop the cold ash neatly into your bucket without wearing a mask or dusting your living room afterward. It turns a dusty, messy chore into a quick 5-minute task that keeps your home air clean and fresh. Hack 7. Scratch repair for dark wood furniture. Over the years, our wooden tables, chair legs, and cabinets collect small scratches and scuffs. Maybe a vacuum cleaner bumped the dining table leg, or a pair of keys slipped on the wooden countertop. Buying specialized wood stain or calling a repair technician can cost a small fortune. If you have dark wooden furniture, used coffee grounds offer a quick and hidden fix. Take a tablespoon of fresh, damp coffee grounds and mix them with a few drops of warm water or cooking oil to form a thick paste. Take a cotton swab or a soft cloth and dab the coffee paste directly into the scratch on your wood. Let it sit for about 10 minutes so the natural dark pigments soak deep into the exposed raw wood. Wipe away the excess grounds with a clean cloth and buff the area gently. The coffee naturally dyes the pale scratch to match the dark surrounding wood grain. The scratch disappears right before your eyes. It is an old-fashioned restorer trick that keeps your treasured furniture looking cared for without spent dollars. Our homes are full of simple treasures if we only know where to look. Living a peaceful, vibrant life in our golden years is not about spending more money on modern products. It is about using the wisdom passed down to us to live wisely, comfortably, and clutter-free. Which of these coffee ground hacks are you going to try first? Do you have a favorite frugal secret that your mother taught you? Please share your stories in the comments below. I read every single one, and our community loves learning from your experiences. Thank you for walking this mindful journey with me today. Stay safe, stay wise, and have a wonderful day ahead.